Today we're going to work on how to read decimal number lines and find what number a certain number is on that number line. So first our goal is to figure out how much each tick mark is worth. Now, as we're looking at this number line, we can see that there's two numbers and they're consecutive. That's the type that we're going to work with today. So if they're next to each other, if they're consecutive, those two numbers, then you are going to subtract the big number, which is the one to the right, minus the small number. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and go 2 minus 1.3. We go ahead and do that math, and that is 0.7. Now in Buzz Math, as we're typing answers in, we always need to have a 0 in front of our decimal point. So be careful about that. Now, this difference between the two consecutive numbers is the value of each tick mark. So each of these tick marks are worth 0.7. So now we want to find out where our value is of our dot on our number line. So we're going to add or count by the value of that tick mark, which is the pattern, until we reach that dot. Now, in Buzz Math, you'll see in the bottom corner some tools that you can use. And in this case, you'll want to use your calculator tool to make the math easier. So we take a look and we go from 2 to the next tick mark, and we're going to add that 0.7, and that becomes 2.7 for the next value. We're going to continue to do this. We add in another 0.07 to get 3.4. We add another 0.07 to get 4.1. And we continue to do this, adding 0.7 to get to 4.8. And finally, we're reaching our final destination here. And we are adding our last 0.07 to get a final value of 5.5. So you guys are going to continue to do this on our different activities today in Buzz Math. And once again, feel free to use that calculator. Feel free to use your left side of your notebook, because you'll be finding this pattern and applying that pattern. And you're also going to be working the other way as well. Excellent. I'll talk to you guys in just a second.